Hello everyone, I am Dr. Swapnil Mate. I am working as an interventional cardiologist in Pune. Today I would like to talk about the topic of alarming rise of heart attacks inside gyms. So in past few days we have heard a lot of incidences of people having heart attacks within the confines of fitness centers or gyms, and this trend is becoming very common nowadays. So what once thought to be safe havens for or centers of cardiovascular health, that means gyms, they are now paradoxically becoming hotspots for heart attacks. So today let's delve into it and try to understand what could be the reason behind this disconcerting phenomenon, and explore into some measures that can be taken to mitigate such kind of risks. So let's go behind causes a bit. So first I would like to talk about our sedentary lifestyle and sudden change in intensity of exercise. So let's accept it that we have increasing number of heart attacks anyway in a society, and we tend to go to gym, and before going to gym or outside gyms we have pretty sedentary or inactive lives, and then when we go to gym and put ourselves, or then we lead to some put some sudden strain on our cardiovascular system. So that is when these things they erupt, or we see abrupt change in our body physiology, and that leads to overload of our heart, and it can trigger heart attacks. This is especially common in people or among people who have pre-existing risk factors such as obesity, hypertension or diabetes. Second reason that I would like to touch upon is there is inadequate health screening and supervisions. So if you see gyms, they often lack comprehensive health screening or assessment. There is no such thing in most of the gyms. So there is no assessment of any cardiovascular risk factor. For example, somebody might be having multiple risk factors as compared to somebody who might be relatively healthy. There is no way to distinguish that. Without such screening, people engage in different kinds of exercise. They try to copy, or they try to get advice from each other, and then engage into various physical exercises, and they put so much stress on their bodies and hearts, wherein it should be tailored to everybody's body and requirement. Usually there is very inadequate supervision or guidance from even a trained fitness professionals, and sometimes people might be unaware of their own heart conditions or risk factors. Third thing that I would want to touch upon is fad of high intensity exercises. So there is increased popularity of high intensity interval training or other various vigorous forms of programs that have been associated with various heart related emergencies. So while these workouts they offer notable benefits, they can push individuals beyond their limits, particularly those who are not adequately conditioned, or those who have some underlying health issues. These health issues might be known, or many of the times these might be unknown to a large extent. So intensity of these workouts coupled with insufficient recovery time, then these things may contribute to increased incidences of heart attack rates within gym environment. Fourth thing that I would like to point out is psychological factor. So for many people, gym environment itself could be an environment to induce stress and anxiety. People try to perform, they try to keep unrealistic goal and try to meet personal fitness goals. They compare oneself with another, and an undue form of exercise can elevate heart rate, can elevate blood pressure, and combined with physical response, stress, and strenuous exercise, this potentially could be a big trigger for heart attack, especially people who are already susceptible to such events. So in conclusion, there is alarming rise of heart attacks in gym setting that necessitates us to take some proactive measures on this front, and we should ensure our safety and well-being before going to gym. Improving our health screening, then increasing trained professional fitness trainers, offering comprehensive guidance on exercise intensity and techniques. These are vital to mitigate such kind of risk. We should encourage gradual progression into an incorporation of sufficient rest period when we are developing various forms of workouts. Let's not keep unrealistic goal. We should foster a supportive environment. There should be less stress, less of a competition, thereby reducing our physiological and psychological stress as well. We should enhance overall safety and enjoyment of gym experience. We should pursue our healthy lifestyle really healthily. Another thing that I would like to add upon is we have seen heart attacks occurring inside gym. There are many instances wherein they were recorded on videos, and we can see many gyms there without facilities for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So we should emphasize on that as well. Those gyms that are not having automated defibrillator or trained professionals, we need to train them. We need to improve availability of things like automated defibrillators, which would be of paramount importance if such a thing happens. Thank you. ठीक है ना?